Ever seen this line in Python and wondered what's going on here? It looks confusing, right? But trust me, this one line separates beginners from real Python developers. Today we will break it down so simply that you will never forget it again. Let's start with the first part, name. Every Python file automatically gets a built-in variable called name. Python assigns a value to it depending on how you run the file. If you run the file directly, name becomes main. If you import the file into another script, name becomes the file's module name. So when you import a Python file, everything at the top level runs immediately. So if your file has print statements, test code or function calls, they will execute even when you just import it. Here is the example. Now in the another file, import greetings and the output will be this runs automatically hello. But we don't want to that happen. We only want code to run when the file is executed directly, not when it's important. So the solution will be this type. Now this import it again and will be no output. And boom, the code inside the block runs only when the file is executed directly. Under the hood, Python checks the value of name before executing that block. Think of it like an entry point in other languages like main function in C or Java. So when Python interpreter runs your script, it sets name equal to main. When another file imports it, name equals the module name instead. Let's take a real example. Suppose you are writing a machine learning model file. Here is the def train model, print training model, define evaluate model, print evaluating model. If name equal to main, train model, evaluate model. When you run model.py, it trains and evaluates the model. But if you import model into the another script, you can reuse those functions without automatically retraining the model. This keeps your code modular, reusable and clean, which is crucial for AIML projects. Here are a few common mistakes to avoid. First one is forgetting the double underscores. They are dunders, not single underscores. Indenting incorrectly. Code under if name equal to main must be indented. Misusing it inside functions. It should only be at the top level of your file. So here is the summary. Every Python file has a built-in variable called name. If the file is run directly, name equal to main. If imported, name equal to module name. The block if name equal to main ensures that your main code runs only when you want it to. And that's the magic behind if name equal to main. One of the most powerful and misunderstood lines in Python. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, comment Python Masters below, and subscribe to CodeNFacts for more practical Python and AI content. See you in the next one. Till then, keep coding, keep creating.